Welcome back. It's been a while. Haven't made any posts in a good minute. Just a quick recap as to what has been going on. I still have a few mason doing rendering on the building, so that's what we're going to be covering: rendering, door jams, window jams. We also primed the window jams and the door jams, getting them prepped for windows. Which at the end of the video, you'll get some photograph of installation, but a video coming soon with all the different stuff that's been going on, uh, plumbing work, electrical work. We've been pulling all the wires in the house and that kind of stuff like that, cleaning up and getting everything fine-tuned. So this is just a small walkthrough of the priming work that's been done. This is the one of the bedrooms. If you notice, the walls are not smooth because this is going to be a tile from floor to ceiling. This is the back room. The windows and the door jambs are already primed. The ceiling is dressed and ready for painting. This is outside, a kind of a small view from the back room, looking towards another room and the kitchen. But as I said, guys, and before I forget, please remember, like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate all the love, appreciate all the comments, all the positive feedbacks, all the feedbacks. So this is the garage. This is the main breaker for the building, and the garage roof and everything is already rendered as well. I'm over here getting tongue-tied or tongue-twisted. Going straight toward the kitchen. I'll be having videos uploaded soon on the work that's been progressed from the plumbers, because if you notice, there's no piping in the kitchen yet, but that's already in motion and getting it videoed, and as soon as I get it edited, I'll share with you guys. The staircase still has not been covered. I'm waiting on the mason or the builder to initiate that part of the project. It's going to be a temporary covering until work commence on the rest of the building upstairs. These are just worked that the electrician did, clean out all the pipes, all the boxes, getting ready to pull all the windows in, pull all the wires in. My bad, saying windows in. I'm looking at the windows and I'm over here narrating. So yeah, it's just outside. It's a lot of greenery around the house, and this video was shot a little bit before they finished outside 100%. So the back right there still need to be rendered, but as the video right here is being narrated, it's already been rendered. But I'm gonna get those videos out to you guys shortly. So that's like the view of the back with everything kind of smooth off. I just love the country area, the country atmosphere. Fresh, cool breeze all the time. So going back through the kitchen, living room / dining room, which is an open concept. Going towards the master bedroom, just looking at, like I said, work progress. If you notice, all the electrical boxes are cleaned out. So as to getting prepared for the electrical. Just having you guys kind of see what's going on, not just talking through the entire video. This is going out back through the front door, and like I was telling you guys, the videos or the pictures coming up with a kind of panoramic view of the building, and these are picture or still photos of the windows that were installed. Like I said, I'm gonna have a detailed video of the installation, and have you guys get a closer look on progress. But these are the windows I choose. I didn't use the typical white windows. I like the design for these, and if you notice, you cannot see inside the building from outside. It's like a one-way mirror. You can see clearly from inside, but not from outside, and that's for privacy purposes. It's also grilled. These are the design that I choose for the grills. You know, always think about safety. And we'll be getting videos with the grill work on the veranda shortly.